Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Could you make difference between these two sentences? Yeah, the first one, which is Mantu and Pintu's car, and the next one is Mantu's and Pintu's car. So what do you think? What would be difference between these two sentences? If you know, then that's pretty well, and if you don't, then there's a lot to know about this apostrophe s. Okay, so this lesson would be based on the apostrophe s which we use in English language. So without further ado, let's get started. We use apostrophe s to talk about possession, relationship and physical characteristic of any noun. So how you can do it? Let's see. If noun is singular like Ram, Sam, Mantu and many more, then we need to use apostrophe and after that s. Okay, so how we can do it? Like, for example, we can say that Monu's car is fabulous. It means that the car which Monu possesses. So we can say Monu's car. We can similarly say Tinku's cycle. Some singular nouns ends in s and it's look like plural. So how we have to deal with this one? Then we can simply put apostrophe at the end, like glass. So you can look here that glass, G-L-A-S-S. Then we can simply put apostrophe at the end. Okay, if noun is plural, then it's obvious that it would end in s. So in such condition, we have to put only apostrophe sign at the end of the word, like friends. So we can put apostrophe after s. Similarly, we can make many more. There are some plural nouns which doesn't end in s. So with these ones, we have to put apostrophe and after that s, like children's, children and after that apostrophe and then s. Similarly, we can say men's, women's and likewise. We cannot use apostrophe s with the product and the possession of the non-living things. Like, you can't say human's skull, because if you talk about skull, then it's obvious that it would be of dead man. So we can't say human's skull, we have to normally say human skull. Similarly, we can't say chicken soup, we have to normally say chicken soup. And this is because if you are having chicken soup, then it's obvious that that is of dead chicken. Similarly, we can't say tortoise shell, because if you remove shell from tortoise, then that would be definitely dead. So we can't use apostrophe s with dead things. Similarly, we can't say street's name, because a street is also the non-living one. So we have to say the name of street. There are some possessive pronouns which ends in s, like hers, theirs. So we don't need to put apostrophe over here. So we can't say hers and after that apostrophe, and we can't say theirs and after that apostrophe and then s, like this. We can't do this. So we have to normally say theirs, hers, etc. If we are talking about the group of the living organism, like the government and many more organizations like UNO, so in such scenario we can use apostrophe s, like government's decision was to protect people. So here we can use apostrophe s, and this is how we can deal with many more group or organization of living beings. Do you remember the very first question which I had asked to you at the beginning of the video? Yes, that was Mantu and Pintu's car, and next was Pintu's and Mantu's car. So how we can deal with these things? What does this mean? If we say that Mantu and Pintu's car, it's mean that car is single, but both Mantu and Pintu are the owner of that car. Means that car belongs to both of them. But if we say that Mantu's and Pintu's car, it's mean that both of them have their own car. Means there are two cars. Both of them has their car. So this is how we can deal with any noun if there is more than one owner of single noun. We can use this apostrophe s at the end of any phrase as well. So how we can do that? Let's see. We can say that the next shop owner's wife is beautiful. So we are using apostrophe s at the end, like the next shop owners means the next shop and owner. This has been used to introduce a single person. If we are talking about the name of any person which has more than one word, like Ashish Dubey, means here there are two words, Ashish and Dubey. So if we have to say something about him, then we should say Ashish Dubey's bike, Ashish Dubey's car, Ashish Dubey's wife, and so on. So this is how we can deal with the phrases or more than two words for single noun. The next use of this apostrophe is we can use it to talk about time, like today's, yesterday's, months. We can say that today's office hour was really frustrating. So this is how we can talk about apostrophe. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.